Hi guys, this is your Punjabi chef Pratik Dhawan. Not just any Dhawan, today I'm the one who's going to create a nice chicken clear soup which is inspired by Indian cuisine and Chinese cuisine. So let's start cooking. To prepare the soup, first we'll make the stock. For that I'm going to switch on the gas. Add little oil. To that I'm going to add 2 bay leaf, clove, black peppercorn, garlic cloves, ginger slice, spring onions, bok choy, roughly sliced carrot. Give it a nice stir. Saute the vegetables for at least 2 minutes. At this stage, I'm going to add chicken bones. And last, little salt. Saute for a few minutes. After sauteing the chicken for a few minutes, I'm going to add water. After adding water, I'm going to close it with the lid and cook it for at least 30 minutes. So guys, our stock is ready. I'm going to switch off the gas, remove the lid and strain the stock into a bowl. Let's make it into a soup. For that, I'm going to switch on the gas, add sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add sliced red chili. With this, I'm going to add chicken juliennes. We are going to saute the chicken till the color of the chicken totally turns white. As the chicken turns white, I'm going to add diced carrot, green beans, saute it for a few minutes. After sauteing the chicken for a few minutes, I'm going to add in baby corn, sliced mushroom. Saute till mushroom starts to change color. It's time to add the stock. To this also I'm going to add bok choy. Let it cook for at least few minutes. After adding bok choy, we're going to wait till this starts boiling. Then we're going to add seasoning and the sauces. As the soup starts to boil, I'm going to add in little bit of Madras curry powder, little soya sauce, few drops of vinegar, aromatic powder. I'm going to put at least 1 tablespoon slurry into the soup. Nicely mix it up. Check the consistency. At this stage, I'm going to add little more slurry and our soup is ready to be served. And there you go guys, our chicken clear soup is now ready. By the time I try this soup, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Get Curried. Goodbye.